This Cooklover 12.6-inch non-stick wok is an all-around powerhouse for modern cooking. With its innovative features and premium materials, this wok simplifies cooking while delivering restaurant-quality results at home. Let's explore why this versatile cookware is perfect for frying, grilling, sautéing, and more. 1. Non-stick marble coating for effortless cooking and cleaning. The wok features a Whitford non-stick marble coating that enhances cooking efficiency and makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you're preparing delicate omelets or hearty stir-fries, food slides off effortlessly, requiring minimal oil for a healthier lifestyle. Key benefits of the non-stick marble coating. Smokeless and non-toxic, promotes a cleaner, healthier cooking experience. High temperature tolerance, safe for use up to 260 degrees without degradation. Eco-friendly design, 100% PFOA-free for a safer environment and healthier meals. Why it matters. The durable non-stick coating ensures longevity, making this wok a cost-effective addition to your kitchen. 2. Sturdy die-cast aluminum body for even heat distribution. Built with a reinforced die-cast aluminum body, this wok offers fast, even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that can ruin your cooking. The 4mm thick base ensures stability on the cooktop, while the 3.5mm aluminum body provides the perfect balance between weight and heat conduction. Advantages of the die-cast aluminum body. Rapid heating, saves time and energy. Uniform heat, ensures every bite is cooked to perfection. Long-lasting performance, resistant to warping and wear. 3. Ergonomic Bakelite handle for safe and comfortable use. The wok comes with a Bakelite knob and handle featuring a heat-resistant silicone coating. The ergonomic design ensures a firm grip while staying cool during cooking. The wood grain finish adds a touch of elegance, making it visually appealing as well. Key features of the Bakelite handle. Stay cool technology prevents burns. Lightweight yet robust for easy maneuverability. Anti-scald and safe to use even at high temperatures. 4. Vertical tempered silicone glass lid for better cooking control. The included tempered glass lid is built with durability and practicality in mind. It features a steam vent and a silicone ring to ensure a snug fit, preventing spills and keeping your stovetop clean. Benefits of the glass lid. Clear visibility. Monitor your food without lifting the lid. Steam control. The vent allows excess moisture to escape. Shatter-resistant. Tempered glass withstands high heat and accidental knocks. 5. Induction-Compatible Base for versatile cooking. The thick, induction-compatible base conducts heat efficiently and evenly. This wok works seamlessly on induction, gas, ceramic, and electric stoves, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen. Highlights of the compatible base. Warp-resistant, maintains its shape over time. Energy-efficient, retains heat longer, reducing cooking time. Multi-stove compatibility, adapts to various cooktops with ease. Why it matters. Whether you're upgrading your current cookware or setting up a new kitchen, this wok fits effortlessly into any setup. 6. Generous size and added accessories. With a 12.6-inch diameter and a 6.24 quart capacity, this wok is perfect for cooking large meals. The added silicone spatula complements the non-stick surface, ensuring scratch-free stirring and flipping. Who should buy this wok? The Cooklover 12.6-inch non-stick wok is perfect for home chefs, simplifies complex recipes with ease. Health-conscious individuals, requires less oil for cooking. Families, large capacity for preparing meals in one go. Outdoor cooking enthusiasts, versatile and portable. Why customers love it. Top benefits reported by users. 1. Non-stick excellence. The marble coating is phenomenal. Cleaning up is so easy. 2. Effortless cooking. Heats up quickly and evenly. No more burnt spots. Stylish and functional. The wood grain finish on the handle is a beautiful touch. 4. Durability. Feels solid and well made. A great investment for any kitchen. Conclusion. A perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. The Cooklover 12.6-inch non-stick wok is a true workhorse in the kitchen. From its durable die-cast aluminum body to the eco-friendly marble coating, every feature has been designed with the modern cook in mind. Its ergonomic handle, tempered glass lid, and versatile compatibility make it an indispensable tool for everyday cooking. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this wok promises exceptional performance, long-lasting durability, and easy maintenance. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your cooking game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.